So for the second one, I just need to show you the domain and range of the radical parent function y equals the square root of x. So here's the graph of y equals the square root of x. It's the same as the last one I showed you, the last video. Y equals the square root of x is like half the parabola on its side. So the domain of function, which is the x values, is like where the line goes over the x-axis, like the numbers on the x-axis. So looking at this graph, this line never meets -1 or -2 on the x-axis. It doesn't go past 0, but it touches 0. So that means it could be equal to 0 or greater than 0 because it goes up from there. So for the x values, or the domain, x is greater than or equal to 0 because it can get bigger than 0 and it can equal 0, but it can't be less than. For the range, which is the same thing except for y values, you see that on the y-axis, the line touches 0, but it doesn't go to -1 or -2 or -3. It just goes between 0 and positive infinity. So it'll keep going up and up and up this way. So it'll go this way and just keep increasing until it's like infinity and beyond. And so that means that it can be equal to 0 on the x-axis or greater than 0 because it'll just keep getting greater than 0. It'll go 5, 10, and eventually it'll just be infinity. So for the range, y is greater than or equal to 0 as well as x.